tide, and when I'm drowning, save me. Give it to me on a daily. If I'm your
Good morning, guys. So this is day 2 of our Juneteenth weekend, and today's my mom's actual birthday. She's driving though. Okay, so somebody was in our spot, so we're gonna have to, they had to move for us. But this is our area. This is where we set up like dinner every weekend. But it's a lot of vendors here, guys. A lot. Alright, guys. Alright, we're setting up our banner.
Yeah.
I did 2 right there, look.
Okay.
That's how you do it?
You do it right.
Smoother. We have a lot to do. We haven't did anything but put the clothes on the mannequin. So we're gonna yeah, clean up all this mess.
I walked into Dr. Robin's office, and I believe it was Anthony DiMartino and Maureen Simmons. And we walked into your office to talk about
Lights? Okay. Alright, so hey guys, so we kind of set up a little bit. I am walking to the store, the non-action store over here. Today's my mom's birthday, so she needs a safety pan. So that's what I'm doing. We're to get a safety pan. We running the light because why not? And I kind of want an energy drink. I know this guy's not following me. I know he's not following me. This guy is following me. Hold on, guys. This guy is following me. Oh, hi. I'm sorry. I'm dating someone. Yeah.
I gotta come back.
I need a rock star. Here, rock star. This is it. Have a good day. Thank you. You welcome. Should we run the light? Should we run the light?
I'm not sure.
No, we shouldn't. Shit, I missed my opportunity. Okay, so the lighting is okay. I'm trying to find a light. Okay, so let me tell you guys what happened. I saw that guy over there. I saw him. He said say something to me. I just said hi to, you know, to keep it pushing. So I walk across the street. I see him in a bicycle. On the bicycle, I said, I know this guy is not following me. He followed me all the way to the store over here. But I mean, I don't like that. I do not like that at all, guys. So any guys watching this, don't follow somebody. Don't do it. It's not it. It's not it. Alright, so we're walking back.
Look who did it, motherfucker. Yes. It's your girl Gwen, the Moss Lady.
Hey guys, please don't judge me.
Thank you.
what's going on over here. You guys see our little banner.
Souvenir book for this event.
Oh, no, I'm just kidding. Okay. I know. Good.
I'm about to make it rain on somebody.
So I'm taking a break. The sun, baby, the sun is bright. So I'm just relaxing. Oh, there's a customer. Ah, here we go. It's over, guys. Waiting for the U-Haul and we're out. You guys enjoyed part 2 of Juneteenth. And today's my mom's birthday. Well, I always remember that. But yeah, it was a great day. Amazing. Good morning, guys. That's my mama. We're in the U-Haul and we are heading to the pop-up. Now, this pop-up is supposed to be a big event. That's why we had to rent U-Haul. We brought literally all our stuff. That's not Dig. That's Bronson. Trying to find the street, guys. So you want to turn and see? I see porta potties.
You do?
Yeah. Okay, so it is 6 o'clock. Oh, 6 o'clock in the morning. 6:04 in the morning, guys. We have to wake up at 4. So hopefully we in here. Let's see. Alright. Oh, watch the door. Yeah,
It's not even organized yet, but
all this we take out.
I'm scared about the doggone parking.
Yeah, me too. And I do not want to be under the tree. We under the tree, guys.
Well, ask her if we can come down.
But if we right here, we still under the tree.
Maybe she. Well, Ashley, there's no police here.
I know. It's fine.
Where you want to go?
Alright.
You want to go across from the grave? Is she right, Mouse Lady?
What do you think? It's fine?
Huh?
You think it's fine?
I mean, I'm not. I don't know. Can we argue it?
All right, guys. So this is our spot. We have to move kind of like it over there.
One of the legs is not.
Oh, wait, we have to pull them down so I can hit that up.
Oh, I remember. There's a.
What these for?
Garment bag.
Yeah. Okay guys, so we're still setting up. Oh, the lighting's horrible. I'm sorry. So we're not even done setting up and we got a sale. So I'm going to package it right now. So we're all set up, you guys know. So I want to walk around to show you guys other people's vendors set up. Over here.